As discussed in the previous videos, the professional interview assessment comprises two main stages, which are the document review and also professional interview. Within the professional interview, there will be oral examinations and also written examinations. During the written examinations, two essays need to be written. One essay will be written from sections where each sections have two questions to be selected. In the section A, the technical experience and the knowledge are being assessed. Two questions will be set by the professional interviewer, and you will need to choose one of the questions to be answered. As for the section B, there will be questions on the professional conducts. Again, two questions will be asked. You will need to choose either one of the questions to be answered. The entire assessment here are built on the basis of the competency elements, which are categorized into 5 categories. From A, the knowledge and understanding. B, design and develop of process, systems, services and product. C, responsibility, management and leadership. D, communications, interpersonal skill. And E, professional commitments. These competency elements outlines the requirement for an engineer which is deemed to be qualified as a professional engineer. In total, there are 18 competency elements, 3 for the knowledge and understanding, 3 for the design and development of the process, system, services and products, 4 for the responsibility, management and leadership, 3 for the communications and interpersonal skill, and 5 is for the professional commitments. The first two categories are meant for the knowledge and skill which is deemed to be required by an engineer. And the following 3 are meant for the quality of qualified engineers. This involves the experience on the technical and management aspects, ability to communicate and work together with the other parties, and the personal commitments in terms of the professional status, professional conducts, and also the obligations to the society and the professions as well as the environment. Within every single competent elements, there are proper definitions which are looking into different aspects of the requirements for a professional engineers. And Eng-aim have a series of well-defined standards to rate the performance of the candidates. They call this as the threshold, from threshold 1 to threshold 4. Threshold 4 represents the best performance, while threshold 1 is representing for the poor performance. So in summaries, there are 18 competence elements that you need to fulfill in order for you to be eligible to become a professional engineer, which cover a broader aspect in 5 categories, from the knowledge and understanding and the ability to solve and develop solutions, as well as some personal quality in terms of the leadership, responsibility, management, ability to communicate and working with the other parties, and also your professional commitments. And within each competency elements, there are well-defined scopes and areas which will be rated in accordance to 4 levels of threshold. Preferably, you would like to have the highest level of the threshold, which is threshold number 4. And this gives you an indication that you could prepare yourself during your career life by looking into different aspects in the engineering. The system here now requires you to be able to score all the competency level at the satisfactory level. And these competency elements can be easily referred from the Eng-aim website, as it is fully transparent to the applicants, and it serves as a guideline for you to self-develop and to improve your competencies in your weaker areas, while compiling the relevant informations. Evidence need to be disclosed. The evidence can be in the form of the certificates, letters, emails, photos, and some of the design works that you have done in the past. Anything that you claim to be competent of need to be enclosed with the justifiable evidence. And while you're compiling the evidence for the competency elements, it is always a good practice to arrange in accordance to the sequence of the competency elements. Some evidence may be used to justify more than one competency elements. To make it easy for the reviewer, it is always recommended to duplicate the elements while placing the evidence at the appropriate locations. Such evidence will be provided together with the portfolio evidence form, and you will expect there will be numerous pages for the evidence to be compiled in. For more details, you may refer to the Eng-aim website, and guidelines will be given in the relevant website.